that there's a like listen, Bobbifer, we can try to go to sleep in your house if that's fine. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Life of Samador. Let's try and smash 40 subscribers for the next episode to be released. So for this episode, we received an email from a girl named Sarah. Sarah is a 19-year-old who lives at a hotel. And she says that the hotel staff has been acting strange at night. And she sent us this video for proof. Okay guys, so I just heard something from Bobbifer's room, from the hotel staff's room. I think I'm gonna go check it out. So tonight, me and my friend are going to, if somebody doesn't get Bobbifer on control, there is a good chance we can. So tonight we're gonna go to the house. Okay guys, so we're driving, and how are you feeling about this? Bro, we shouldn't go here because of the hotel staff. The hotel staff has nothing to do about our... We shouldn't go here. I know. I think strange things has been happening ever since then. I know, bro. Bro, let's just drive to the house. Okay. Come on, Goobs. Okay. Okay. Come on. Hi, are you Sarah? Yes. Come on in. Come on in, y'all too. I think we got an email saying that you... So what has been happening with the hotel staff? So the hotel staff has been... Can we go check out Bobby for his room? Yes. Yup. Yup. Come on. Just gonna go. Bobifer's not here. What? He's probably in the... Hello. Hello. Ah! Hi. Are you Bobifer? Yes. What are y'all doing in my room? Sorry if we were just in your room. Oh, I was just hiding under the bed so Sierra doesn't find me. Okay. Whatever. So, what do you want to talk about, bro? Bro, when he came out of under the bed, that got me creeped up. Listen, I think we gotta set up cameras in this place. Let's go set up cameras, that's all. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna set one up in the... down here. I'm gonna put one... Okay guys, so Bobifer just went to the bathroom. So I'm gonna go put a camera in his room. So we're gonna go put a camera in his room. Let's just put one in the bathroom just in case. Just in case if he escapes in the... Yes, come on in. Can we set up a camera in your room? Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. It's fine. It's fine if you set up a camera. Now listen, we're gonna be in the other room, so... Bro, I'm beginning to think that he's dangerous. got you. Come on. Okay. Hurry, dude. Bro, what was that thing? Hurry, dude. Thank you all so much for watching this episode. We are planning on making more content in the future. So anyway.